Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
It is so nice to be at this cultural exchange event. I'm excited to meet new people and learn about local traditions. My name is Olivia. What is your name?
Nice to meet you, Olivia. My name is Ethan. I am happy to be here today. I come from a small town and love my local culture. I am excited to share my experiences with you.
That is wonderful, Ethan. I grew up in a big city, but I have always been interested in traditions and customs. Today, I want to learn more about your town and its local customs. Can you tell me something about your community?
Sure, Olivia. In my town, we celebrate many festivals and traditions. One of our most important events is the Harvest Festival. Every year, our community gathers to celebrate the season of harvest. We have traditional dances, music, and food. It is a very joyful time.
That sounds amazing. I love festivals because they bring people together. What kind of food do you have at the Harvest Festival?
At the Harvest Festival, we serve local dishes. We have rice, beans, and a special stew made with vegetables and meat. There are also sweet treats like fruit cakes and local desserts. The food is very tasty and full of local flavor.
I would love to try those dishes. In my city, we also have food festivals, but they are more modern. Your food sounds very traditional and healthy. Do you also have traditional music at the festival?
Yes, we do. We play folk music with instruments like the drum, flute, and string instruments. I sometimes join the local band when I have free time. The music is very lively and makes everyone dance.
That must be fun. I enjoy dancing and listening to live music. In my family, we love to dance at weddings and parties. Traditional music always makes me feel happy.
I agree, Olivia. Music is an important part of our culture. It tells stories about our history and our people. It also helps us feel connected.
I feel the same. I also enjoy learning about local arts. At the event, I saw a small exhibition of traditional crafts. Some people were showing how they make pottery and weave baskets by hand. It was very interesting to watch.
Yes, our community values handmade crafts. Many elders still use old techniques to make beautiful pottery and textiles. I think these crafts are part of our identity. They tell the story of our ancestors.
That is very inspiring. In my art class, I learn about modern art, but I sometimes miss the touch of tradition. It is wonderful to see that some traditions still live on today.
Exactly. In my town, the elders often share stories about how they used to work in the fields and make everything by hand. I learned a lot from them.
I love listening to stories from older people. They have so much wisdom. Do you have any memorable stories from your town?
Yes, I do. I remember one harvest festival. My grandfather told me the story of our town's founding. He explained how our town started from a small village, and now we celebrate our history every year. His story made me feel proud of my heritage.
That is a beautiful memory, Ethan. I feel that our roots are very important. They help us understand who we are.
I agree. Our traditions give us a sense of belonging. Even though I live in a small town, I feel connected to a long history.
In my city, life is very fast and modern. Sometimes I feel like I lose the connection to my roots, but events like this help me remember the importance of tradition and community.
Yes, Olivia. I think both modern life and tradition have their own values. In the city, you have many opportunities and new ideas. In the countryside, you have deep traditions and a strong sense of community.
That is true. I have many friends in the city, but sometimes I miss the calm and warmth of a small town. I would love to visit a place like yours one day to experience those traditions firsthand.
You are always welcome, Olivia. I would be happy to show you around. We could visit the local market, attend a festival, and even try some traditional foods.
That would be wonderful, Ethan. I am very interested in learning more about how people live in different parts of our country.
I believe that every culture has its own beauty. Even small traditions can teach us a lot about life and community.
Yes, and sharing these experiences makes us all richer. I feel that when we learn from each other, we grow as people.
I agree. At this event, I have already met many people with different backgrounds and ideas. It makes me happy to see our culture celebrated in many ways.
I love the energy of this cultural exchange. It reminds me that despite our differences, we all share common values like family, friendship, and respect for traditions.
That is very true. I also think that modern technology helps us share our culture. For example, many people post pictures of our festivals on social media. It allows others to learn about our traditions, even if they live far away.
I often see those posts, and they make me curious. I like to learn about the customs of different regions. It is like a window into another world.
Yes, and it also encourages people to preserve their heritage. When you see others appreciating your traditions, it makes you want to keep them alive.
I agree completely, Ethan. I feel very happy when I see traditional dances, crafts, and music being celebrated. It gives me a sense of pride in my culture.
I feel the same way. I believe that cultural exchange events like this are very important. They help us understand each other and keep our traditions strong.
Thank you for sharing your experiences, Ethan. I have learned a lot from our conversation today. It has given me many ideas for my own future projects in art and culture.
Thank you, Olivia. I enjoyed our chat as well. It is always nice to talk about our culture and learn from different perspectives. I hope you will visit my town soon, and I can show you all our local traditions in person.
I would love that, Ethan. I will plan a trip soon. It will be wonderful to see the festivals, taste the traditional food, and meet the people in your community.
I look forward to it, Olivia, and maybe you can share more about your experiences in the city. I am very curious about how modern life mixes with traditional art there.
I will definitely share, Ethan. I believe that by exchanging our stories, we can learn a lot and appreciate the beauty of both modern and traditional cultures.
Well said, Olivia. Our conversation today has made me appreciate my own traditions even more, and I am excited to learn about yours.
Thank you, Ethan. I feel very inspired. I am glad we met at this cultural exchange event. It is a great reminder of how important it is to share our heritage and listen to others.
I agree completely, Olivia. Let's keep in touch and continue sharing our cultural experiences. I hope we can meet again at the next event.
That would be wonderful, Ethan. I look forward to it. Have a great day and enjoy the rest of the event.
Thank you, Olivia. You too. Take care and goodbye.
Goodbye, Ethan.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.